Hi YouTube, this is going to be another nighttime skincare routine. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a lot of makeup on. I have eyeliner and I have foundation, and it's almost about to slide off my face. I used L'Oreal's Infallible Foundation in shade 220. This is the closest shade to me, and occasionally it looks a bit weird, but most of the time it works really well. And I used L'Oreal's, what is this called? The Supreme Slim Liquid Eyeliner in black on my eyes, and that's it. Underneath there's layers of sunscreen. Okay, so because I'm wearing makeup, and because I didn't take my shower until now, I will be doing most of my makeup removal and cleansing of my face in the shower. But something I like to do before I step into the shower is break the makeup up a little bit with either mineral oil or Vaseline if I have. It really depends on what I have. And also some Sea Buckthorn Oil, which I purchased from The Ordinary. I have such a hard time using up that product. I actually like to keep the oil in this container because it gives it more protection from exposing it to the air, air and moisture can really oxidate oils. Oils do expire, by the way, so I wouldn't recommend using any old oils. I'm just taking, it's such a rich orange color, which I really love, but it's so hard to use this because it gets everywhere and it's just hard to deal with the staining, you know. I tried to hand wash the pillows to try to, you know, really ensure that the stain goes away, but it didn't work. So I'm just going to 2 drops, and I'm going to do the washing and cleansing portion of my skincare routine in the shower, and then the rest in front of the camera. So I'll be back. This is my continued skincare routine. I washed my hair. It's pretty damp. I'm going to put in The Ordinary's Peptide Hair Serum. I suffer from dandruff, so I use like salicylic acid based shampoos for my hair, and then I use Pantene's conditioner, but I don't do a lot for my hair. I think my hair would be jealous of my face. I'm going to gently massage it into my hair. Okay, so I've applied serum to my scalp and I've parted my hair. I typically like to part my hair in the center, but I'm really trying to part it in other ways because I think that the center parting and my nervous energy of like pulling out my hair when I'm really anxious has caused me to lose too much hair from the middle, and so I parted it to the side. Okay, I haven't done anything since I washed my face with Vanicream in the shower. I hope you can see redness here and here. Avene thermal water. Feels really good. Glycerin. Let's go in with copper peptides for my eyebrows. I recently added the NIOS pump to buffet with copper peptides. So that it makes my application easier. Bifida Ferment Lysate is amazing for barrier repair, so cannot go without it. And it supposedly helps with DNA repair. You probably won't notice the DNA repair for years. Next, I'm going to go in with the Alpha Arbutin and Niacinamide Brightening Toner. But focus it just around my mouth and my forehead, because my forehead is where I get like sunspotty darkness, like right here. Don't know if you can tell. And my cheeks right now are irritated, so I'm gonna be kind to them, basically. This is a dupe for Strong Elephant's Proteiny Peptide, but definitely thicker and far more affordable. And the last step is Cerave's Healing Ointment. I think I'm gonna apply some for the corners of my face and apply a bit on my cheeks. That's all for my skincare routine tonight. If you like this video or have questions for me, please hit the like button and leave your comments down below and your questions down below. And thank you so much for watching. Take care.